Warning! Lunar sneeze pressure critical!
It's cracking! I'm trying to tape it, but it won't stick.
Faster! We must reach the moon before it cracks completely!
I'm gonna be sick. This is terrifying.
Woohoo! Space surfing is the best!
It's okay. We'll fix you. Even moons get dust allergies. That's lunar seismic activity.